Fifth grade Shurley method, page 48, part 2. Exercise 2 and 3 is what we'll do today. And we will not do exercise 4. So exercise 2, you need to know in the verb or verb phrase, and you need to decide if that verb or verb phrase is present, past, or future with a 1, 2, or 3. And then you need to put the past tense form of the verb and then write if it's regular or irregular. So good students work hard on their studies. So what do you think about students? What's the verb or verb phrase? Work. Okay. Hard is the what? How? Okay. All right. Work is a what? Present, past, or future? Present. Past tense is worked. Regular, irregular. An earthquake will shake the city. Will shake is the verb phrase. Present, past, or future? Future. So number 3. Past tense. Shook. Regular, irregular. Irregular. My sister liked horse stories. What is the verb or verb phrase? Liked. Present, past, or future? Past. Past tense. Regular, irregular. Regular. The girls have built a clubhouse. Verb or verb phrase? Have built. Present, past, or future? Present. Present because I have, right? What is the past tense? Built. Regular, irregular. It's irregular because the regular form is build, right? Okay, you guys will do 5, 6, and 7 for homework. Okay, change the underline mixed tenses to now present tense, right? Okay, so yesterday I play. Oh, because yesterday. So today I played softball with my friends. We play our game in the vacant lot behind Cindy's house. Cindy and her friends, they want present tense insist on a game with us. We boys and we at each other. Then we a boy versus girl softball game which lasts until dark. The girls finally win the game and they give victory yells all over the neighborhood. My friends and I ourselves home as the whole neighborhood came. Is it came or comes? Because they were present. Comes out to witness our defeat. What a day. Okay, so like I said, you guys are doing 5, 6, and 7